there's a lot of people that are reviewing her makeup. I love the color. There's something about that I don't like in this one. It does feel dry. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the last giveaway. There's coming up. Just wait for the video to be released. It's coming. But anyway, guys, I wanted to do a review with a new lipstick that I found in Ulta. I didn't buy it there because they don't have all the color I want. Before I tell you guys the whole story of that shopping, just wanted to show you guys. And I tried it already. This is from Jaclyn I did check out her channel. So she had a big channel. There's a lot of people that are reviewing her makeup. She does have a lot of like makeup palette or something like that, but since I love lipstick and I do more lipstick review, I wanted to try this one. This one you can actually get it like a set one on her website. It's Jaclyncosmetics.com. This is the set. This is the color. That's the reason why I actually bought this one, is because the color, it's so beautiful. Most of this one is like natural color that I would wear for daily use or something like that. But when I was looking at on her website, it does not have a lot of star for this set. So there's a lot of a negative comment about this one. So I wanted to see why. So let's try this, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the Emma Cancer. This is what I look. This one, I love the color. It's like in between my skin color. But there's something about I don't like in this one. I probably have to keep trying it first before I can tell you guys. But the first one, it has a beautiful color. Like the natural, everyday lipsticks you're gonna wear. So let's try the second one. We're going to try the Truth. This one looks like a beautiful color. It's like in between brown and a pink one. It's beautiful. Another things, it's actually will definitely more people would love this color, especially with like if you are a little bit lighter skin or tanner, because I'm like in between, like I'm tan skin. It does feel dry faster, but it's not really like a creamy feelings like or the look. We'll see for the rest, okay? If all this lipstick feel or looks the same for me, then I probably able to explain to you guys on my last lipstick that I'm gonna try. So let's try for the next one. The third color, it's called Outspoken. This one has probably like a little bit more pink. Just the look on this color, I love. It has that in between. They gave you a beautiful pink lips on this. For some reason, it's not like a too bright, like attention pink. This one, it's more like the pink that's you'll enjoy it wearing it the whole day or something like that. I really like the color of this one because it has that really beautiful pink. Let's try the fourth one. The fourth one is gonna be the Confidence. And I wanted to go look because this one only have 2 star on her website. If you guys go to online and you're gonna see a Jaclyn lips favorite. It's, I think she loves like a natural looking. This one, it does actually only show 2 star. I want to know what is, and I do have like a comment. This one comment, she said, formula feels nice, not too dry, lasts long. Only the problem I had, they all looks the same. So I think my defense of that one comment is not, I think this set, for my own opinion, I think this set is all about like a natural lipstick you're gonna wear every day. Because I mean, not all of us loves to wear dark lipstick like myself, but this is the 4th color. It's beautiful. I think it's not more like a orangey, which is like what other reviewers saying, like it's like all the same one. But I gotta tell you, there's something like I don't like about this on her lipstick. It's not the color, there's something. But I'm gonna try the last one, okay, so I can tell you guys exactly what I don't like about it. The last color that we're gonna try, and I think I tried this one the last time, but I really didn't pay attention about the feelings and the look. This color is Grabby. So this one is more like an orange for me. I don't know why, but it's not bad. I wouldn't wear this every day. If you see this in the person, it's more like an orangey on your lips. This set, it is actually like made for like a natural wear to wear. But something I don't like it's the dryness I don't like, and it's this kind of like this thick on, kind of like that. And this is only like one coat, but the color I love it, because I think she picked a beautiful natural wear. But I think the formula, she needs to do a little bit like oil or something like this to give a moist. But I'm going to wear the pink one, because I like that one, especially on my skin tone. It's beautiful. This color is Outspoken. This one, it reminds me of the one that I review it, like the Korean lipstick. I also really like the brush. It has that like a beautiful tip. It's easy to glide it on your lips. For all the color, last color that I tried is kind of like orangey for me, which is, I don't really like that one. But my favorite one is this one. It's on my lips right now, right there. But anyway guys, that's my review for Jaclyn lipstick set. You can go to her website. It's on her collection. So this one is on the setup collection. She does have a lot of new items that you guys wanted to try it, so you guys can check it out, okay? So if you have tried this one already, let me know how you guys think about her set of her lipsticks or her other set of her lipsticks. So maybe I'll try that one for the next times that I do review. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy my review all the time. And I'm gonna have a second giveaway. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys again for my next fun honest review. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.